Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool idea for a tripod that can hold a hammock or a swing. This can come in really handy if you're out at the lake and wanted to set something up on the dock for your kids to play, or just set it up in your own yard. I've gone ahead and put some of these tubes together. Very simple. There's only a few pieces to attach and there's 3 sets of those. They're all going to come together to form the tripod. And basically, if you want to come in, I'll show you. This is kind of how these go together. These simply slide into place. They're fairly thick tubes. They do come with some little feet that you can snap on, but they simply slide in like that. The holes are quite wide enough for all of this. They send you with all the hardware, including the wrenches that you need, so you don't have to have any of your own tools. And we're simply going to go ahead and insert these pieces up through here as such, provide a washer, and then they send you with these locking nuts that go on the back side of this. So once we get those put together, I'm going to show you, we're going to go and put this up. It'd be helpful if you had a second pair of hands to kind of hold things while you get it put together. So I'm going to get that done and we'll strap it together and show you what it looks like. So I had my lovely assistant hold it for me while I put that eye bolt in up at the top. That's actually what's going to hold anything that you want to hang from there. You know, this would even work great to even hang a large hanging plant outside your house. At the bottom, it's got these long bolts here that simply go through here just to stabilize everything. So I'm going to go ahead and push those through. You will have to kind of shift it around just a little bit because it's got to get everything lined up just perfect. You're going to put those on there, and then again, using the same tools that you used before, you can crank those down and that will stabilize the base. And now you have the ability to hang something from the top of this. Again, it will hold up to 400 pounds, so this will hold quite a bit of weight, and we're going to go ahead and get a swing put on here to kind of show you what it can do. Okay, so I'm out here with my swing. Now this is nice to note, this does come with a nice chain, a carabiner on the end, and an S-hook. So you've got a lot of versatility of how to hook it onto that eye bolt. This particular one, I think the S-hook is actually going to work out really well. So I'm going to go ahead and hook that on there and kind of show you this here. Now you can actually just hook it directly in up there, and now that's going to be up there nice and high. So we've got a swing that we can put in here, and this is going to work out great because again, it can support up to 400 pounds. So now you can just lounge out and about in your yard. You have the freedom to move any different direction. So this is a little different than some of those other stands that just have one arch over the back. This one actually allows full 360-degree movement, which is great without being unstable. This will make a great addition to anybody's yard.